Cold weather camping just depends on what cold is for you. So if you feel like you need long underwear, don't worry if somebody else feels like they're plenty warm. You can only be in control of your own body temperature. And even then, how much control do you truly have? Anyways, so I just want to get to the basics. These are Cuddle Duds. They are made out of polyester, which means plastic. These are my initial long underwear. I still love these. I still wear them. The arms have the thumb holes. I really like those for when I'm in cold weather. Um, as I have gotten more experienced, I have come to find out that wool or silk is better for our health. So these are more affordable. You can get them at Kohl's, you can get them at Walmart, probably Amazon, or straight from Cuddle Duds, I'm sure. There's plenty of options for affordable long underwear. The thing you want to be sure of is that they are not made out of cotton. If it's your base layer and it's made out of cotton and you're moving, you can get to sweating and then you are wet and cold, which is no bueno. Okay. The next thing I got was wool long underwear. Now, there was many years before I got these because, you could spend $100 on a wool top and $100 on a wool bottom or more, which is not possible for many people. So what I did was I waited and put this on my wish list, and when it was on a Black Friday sale or, any holiday that they find a reason to make an extreme sale, I got them for $75 a piece. And no, they don't match, but that's because they fit me. So for myself, I learned that I like to go uh, I'm in between sizes. So for the bottoms, I like to go in the larger size so that it's not skin tight. Skin tight and wool long underwear would be too much for me. And if you do launder them, I didn't want to take the chance in them shrinking. Uh, so I wash them in the washing machine, but I hang them to dry. And then in the top, I got the smaller size. For me, that's what works. You'll have to figure out what works for you. So you can either do a synthetic or a wool or a silk base layer. Avoid cotton as your base. This is a buff. This could also be considered a base layer. You may want one to sleep in. You can use it as a turtleneck or a headband or a hat or a base layer with a hat over top during the day or at night when you're sleeping. And then I also have these, which I'm certain, because I ripped the tag out. I don't like tags. I'm certain these are 100% polyester as well, but they are lined fleece leggings. Not sure if you can see that. If you don't have long underwear or fleece leggings or wool or silk, you could just use some yoga pants. Just make sure that it's not 100% cotton. You don't want that on your base. Another option above the long underwear is a silk shirt. I got this at a thrift store for $3.99. This packs down very small in your backpack. You can even put it in a jacket pocket if you're hiking and you're not sure if you'll be too cold. It's a very lightweight way to add warmth. No matter what season, silk is a nice thing to do. All right, those are the base layers. If you have any questions or have any other tips you'd like to share, please do so in the comments. Thanks for watching.